Welcome back children. I hope you all doing well. In previous video, we have learned Tux Paint. I hope you all understood the lesson. Now, in this video, we will study about Tux Paint Part 2. Students, in Tux Paint, you have already learned how to use the basic tools in Tux Paint to create drawings. In addition to those, you can also use stamps, create storyboards and run slideshows in Tux Paint. You can even choose canvases of different kinds for your work. In this lesson, you will learn the advanced features of Tux Paint with which you can further enhance your drawings. Stamp tool. It is a collection of rubber stamps and stickers. It allows you to add ready-made images to your pictures. An outline image of the stamp is seen when the mouse is brought over the drawing canvas, telling the user about its size and location. Multiple copies of the same stamp or of different stamps can be placed at different locations in the drawing canvas. Different categories of stamps are available for use in the selector pane of the Tux Paint window. There are additional options in the stamp tool which allows the user to flip the selected stamp vertically or create its mirror image. There is an option to change the stamp size. In some cases, the colors palette in the lower part of the screen is active and allows the user to even change the color of the stamp. How to add a stamp? Number 1. Click on the stamp tool in the toolbar pane. A list of stamps will appear in the selector pane. Number 2. Move the different categories of stamps available using the left and right arrow buttons in the selector pane. Select the desired stamp. Number 3. Click on the appropriate tools in the selector pane to increase or decrease the stamp size, to flip it vertically, to create its mirror image or to change its color in case the color palette is active. Number 5. Bring the cursor to the drawing canvas. An outline of the selected stamp will move with the movement of the mouse, showing how and where the stamp will be placed. Number 6. Click on the left mouse button to place the stamp at the desired location. Label tool. Label tool is used to type text in the Tux Paint. It can be used to write on any object or stamp. In order to type, place the cursor on any of the drawing and start typing. Use the enter key to end the text. By using the selector button, you can edit, move or change style of the text. Different categories of text styles are available for use in the selector pane of the Tux Paint window. There are additional options in the label tool which allows the user to flip the selected label format vertically. The text is available in varying sizes also, which can be selected using the arrow keys. Saving a picture in Tux Paint. This tool is used to save the picture you are currently working on. Click on the Save option in the toolbar pane of the window to save your picture. It will be saved as a thumbnail in the vertical picture book. If any further changes are made to the picture, then you need to save them. Follow the steps given below to do so. Number 1. Click on the Save option. Number 2. A dialog box will appear. Number 3. Click as Replace the old one. If you wish to save the picture over the older version, or else click No, Save a new file for saving this picture as a new file. Opening a saved picture in TuxPaint. This tool is used to open the picture saved in the virtual picture book. Follow these steps to open a saved picture. Number 1. Click the Open option in the toolbar pane. The virtual picture book window will appear. Number 2. Select the desired image from the list of options. Number 3. Click on the Open option near the lower left part of the window, or else click on the Back option to go back to the TuxPaint drawing window. Erasing a saved picture in TuxPaint. You can also remove a saved picture from the virtual picture book. Follow these steps to remove a saved picture. Number 1. Open the virtual picture book using the Open option. Number 2. Select the picture to be removed. Number 3. Click on the Erase option. Number 4. A dialog box will appear. Number 5. Click as Erase it if you wish to erase the picture from a virtual picture book, or else click No, don't erase it. Opening a new drawing canvas. You can create new pictures in TuxPaint using the New tool. TuxPaint offers not only a blank white canvas for drawing, but also canvases with different colors in the background, black and white outlines and 3D photographs. Follow these steps to open a new drawing canvas in TuxPaint. Number 1. Open the TuxPaint window. Number 2. Click on the New tool in the toolbar pane. Number 3. A list of canvases open. Scroll up and down using the arrows. Number 4. Select the desired canvas and click on the Open button. The black and white outlines and 3D pictures used as canvas in TuxPaint are called starters. On clicking Save, the TuxPaint saves the changes made to the starter as a separate file and does not override the original. Viewing a slideshow. Pictures created in TuxPaint can also be viewed as a slideshow. Follow these steps to watch a slideshow of the pictures created. Number 1. Select the Open tool in the toolbar pane. Number 2. A list of pictures created and saved in TuxPaint appear as thumbnails in the virtual picture book. Number 3. Click on the Slides button in the lower left corner of the virtual picture book. Number 4. a new pane appears in the middle of the window containing pictures saved in TuxPaint. Click on the images in the sequence in which you want them to appear in the slideshow. The images will be numbered accordingly. Click on the selected image to remove it from the slideshow. In case no picture is selected, then all the images will appear in the slideshow. Number 5. Set the speed of slide change using the sliding scale next to the play button. Number 6. Click on the play button to start the slideshow. Number 7. Slides change automatically after the selected time frame, or you can also click on the next button to move to the next slide. Number 8. Click on the back button to go back to the thumbnails. Due to these features, TuxPaint can also be used to create storyboards. Printing picture in TuxPaint. The pictures created in TuxPaint can also be printed. Follow these steps to print a picture. Number 1. Click on the print tool in the toolbar pane. Number 2. A dialog box appears asking for your permission to print the open picture. Click on the Yes, print it option. Number 3. The print dialog box appears. Select the printer connected to your computer in the Selector Printer section and specify your printing preferences. Number 4. Click on the print button. Closing TuxPaint. Follow these steps to close TuxPaint. Number 1. Click on Quit option in the TuxPaint window. Number 2. A dialog box will appear. Number 3. Click on Yes, I am done if you wish to close TuxPaint, or else click No, take me back to continue working. Number 4. If changes made to the picture have not been saved, a new dialog box will appear. It will ask you to either save the changes or discard them. Click as Save It option to save the changes, or else click the No, don't bother saving option. With this, we end with this chapter. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, thank you. Stay safe. Bye-bye.